Hi friends, this is Dr. Apoor Mehra and thank you very much for the response you're giving to the videos on our YouTube channel. The INI result has come out. The entire Facebook and YouTube is clouded with success. But it is just the initial rank holders that are enjoying the cakes and the pastries. What about my rest of the dear students? Look, I am not here to talk about what is required to qualify. I am here to talk about what is required to avoid rejection. These entrance exams are not selection tests, they are rejection tests because the majority is out, the minority is in. Any Central Institute exam was always an accident. If it happens, it's good. In fact, it's beautiful. But if it does not happen, you have to be ready for the main exam, the NEET. The strategies are not to be discussed in this video. The attitude is to be discussed in this video. I was talking to a friend a few days back, and he told me he had two patients who came to his emergency in a critical state. The first one, he gave his best but could not be rescued. He was definitely disappointed. As a doctor, if you don't save a patient, you have a heartbreak. You are not happy about it. You don't feel like having a good meal or a good drink. And if you are able to save the patient, it really doesn't matter what you eat. Everything appears like a treat. And losing a patient in a critical state, you can counsel yourself, he was critical, but still, a life lost is a life lost. And then he said after about 30 minutes, there was one more patient in a critical state. Both were almost similar, with similar vitals, but different diseases. He made all his efforts for the second one. And God willing, the second patient did survive. And when he spoke to me, I related it to so many things here. Did he not give his best for the second patient? Was he discouraged that if I could not be in a positive role to save a patient, the second patient also will not survive? Did the outcome of the first patient decide the outcome of the second patient? No. Even in a high pressure situation, players like Tendulkar and Kohli can get out. It can happen to anybody. But does that mean they will not show up in the next exam? Does that mean their destiny is low scores? If this would have been the actual attitude, then people would have never achieved. My friends, this is the time where every day, in fact, every hour counts. This is a time where, in fact, every minute counts. You always have a choice. If one exam or one result can stop you, then probably nobody would have ever qualified. I would not have been a teacher here. I would not have taken up orthopedics. In this journey, I read a beautiful poem. There are mountains to climb. You might fail. It's okay to take rest. Climb the hills instead. But keep moving. The mountains will still be there to climb. Dear friends, get up, show up, because it's not over till it actually is. All the best. Thank you very much.